In 2025, the video creation landscape has completely shifted, thanks to a wave of powerful AI tools that are making it easier than ever for anyone to create stunning videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and beyond. And when we talk about the best free AI tools, one name that truly stands out is InVideo. Whether you're a complete beginner, a solo content creator, or someone managing multiple projects, InVideo gives you access to everything you need without the traditional headaches of editing. You simply input your text, pick from thousands of professionally designed templates, and watch as the AI turns it into a clean, polished video with voiceovers, transitions, and royalty-free music. It's that simple. You no longer need expensive software, advanced editing skills, or even a camera, because InVideo is designed for fast, effective, and faceless video creation. It's perfect for turning blog posts into engaging visual stories, creating YouTube faceless videos, or even producing business promos that look like they were made by a full team. Plus, with AI-powered features like text-to-video, script suggestions, and one-click branding, you can produce high-converting videos in minutes, even on a tight schedule. The best part? InVideo offers a free plan that gives you full creative control without asking for a credit. Card up front. So if you're ready to future-proof your content strategy and want a tool that works as hard as you do, this is the one to start with. Don't waste time learning complex software or hiring editors. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. Click the link in the description and join InVideo for free to explore what's possible when technology meets creativity. Whether you're growing a channel, launching a business, or just exploring the world of video content, InVideo is your shortcut to success in 2025.